If this is your first time watching any of my video, please like, subscribe and turn on post notification for more video, and if you have any question or others, leave it in the comment section. In this video I will be reviewing the Redragon S101 wired gaming keyboard and mouse. The Redragon S101 gaming keyboard and mouse combo can help you to make the most out of your PC gaming, no matter if you're an RPG player or if you prefer to play first-person shooters. Although it might look similar to other brands, it does have a significant amount of differences and upgrades when compared to lesser quality sets. This PC gaming keyboard and gaming mouse combo includes Redragon RGB BACKLIT computer gaming keyboard and RGB BACKLIT gaming mouse. All in one PC gamer value kit, fantastic for gamer. RGB BACKLIT gaming keyboard has 7 different RGB lighting modes and effects, 4 backlight brightness levels, adjustable breathing speed. The keycaps offering clear uniform backlighting, when key can be disabled for gaming. The PC gaming keyboard has been ergonomically designed to be a superb typing tool for office work as well. The gaming keyboard is built to withstand the average liquid spill. The integrated wrist rest gives you the comfort you need for marathon gaming sessions. The gaming keyboard has 25 conflict-free N-key rollover, 10 dedicated multimedia keys plus 12 additional FN plus multimedia keys, in total 114 keys. Keys are quiet, designed for longevity, durability, delivering precise tactile feedback. Comes with full numeric keypad and a gold-plated corrosion-free USB connector for a reliable connection and ultimate gaming performance. The ergonomic Redragon Red backlit gaming mouse up to 3200 dpi, user-adjustable 800 1600s, 2400 3200s dpi, 30G acceleration and weight tuning set. Total 6 buttons, of which 5 are programmable. The high-precision sensor delivers pinpoint accuracy, while the gaming-grade micro switches ensure longevity, greater durability and extreme responsiveness, giving you an even greater edge over your competition. This PC gaming keyboard and gaming mouse compatibility with Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, or Windows XP, limited Mac OS keyboard support. Works well with all major computers brands and gaming PCs: MSI, Dell, Corsair, Alienware, Razer, Xbox One, Asus and others. Overall, the Redragon S101 is a great gaming keyboard. Its input response are fast and not far off from the performance of a pricier mechanical keyboard. However, the Redragon S101 gaming keyboard and mouse combo are incredibly affordable and adaptable to a variety of different gamers. If interested in purchasing the Redragon S101 wired gaming keyboard and mouse, or for more info, click the link in the description.